As you walk over them, you may not give much thought to the now abandoned railroad tracks under your feet, but they have influenced Pullman since its founding. People tell different stories about how Pullman got its name, but they all share some connection to the tracks winding around the city, from the WSU campus to Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories. According to the Pullman Chamber of Commerce, a man named Bolin Farr camped where the Dry Flat Creek, Missouri Flat Creek, and Palouse River converged in 1875. More people arrived, and by 1881, the town had its first post office and general store. Farr was friends with railroad engineer and designer of the Pullman boxcar George Pullman, and he named the town in his honor. According to WSU, the first railroad arrived in Pullman in 1885 with the Columbia and Palouse Railway train. Later, more railroads would be added to towns around Pullman. In 1877, the Spokane and Palouse Railroad linked Spokane to Genesee, Idaho, and in 1891, the Northern Pacific Line began service to Lewiston. Railroads carried the WSC football team from their victories, connected families across the state, and helped educate students on mechanical engineering. Now, according to the Daily Evergreen, nearly all Palouse railroads are just used for freight and not passengers. Though many sit abandoned to the rust and weather of time, there is history beneath your feet, hidden in the journeys people took on the railroad of Pullman.